Hi everyone, another lesson for today. So that is multiplying and dividing integers. Sa lahat ng operation sa integers, masasabi ko talaga na ang pinakamadali sa lahat is itong multiplying and dividing. Kasi same lang ang kanilang rules. So ano ba ang kanilang rules? Ang rules is same sign or kapag pareho sila na positive or kapag pareho na negative, ang sagot is always positive. Basta magkapareho yung sign. Kahit na puro pa yan negative, ang sagot is positive. Now, kapag hindi naman magkapareho ang sign, kapag positive and negative or negative and positive, ang sagot natin is always negative. So, ganun lang ang tatandaan natin kapag pareho yung sign, ang sagot always positive. Kapag hindi magkapareho ang sign, ang sagot always negative. So, same lang ang ating multiplication at division. Same lang ang kanilang rule. Okay, so meron tayong mga examples dito para mas maintindihan natin siya. So, multiply positive 2 times positive 3. So, nakita nyo, magkapareho ang kanilang sign. So, therefore, ang sagot natin is positive. So, 2 times 3 is 6 or 6. Kapag positive ang iyong number or ang iyong integer, automatic na yan siya na pwede mo nang hindi lagyan ng plus sign. Kasi understood na yan na positive yan siya. Next example tayo, negative 2 times negative 3. So, pareho silang negative. Of course, ang sagot natin is positive. So, 2 times 3 is 6 or 6. Okay? So, next naman. Positive and negative, hindi magkapareho ang sign. So, therefore, ang sign natin is negative. And then, 2 times 3 is 6. So, ang sagot, negative 6. Next example, negative 2 times positive 3. So, hindi magkapareho ang sign, negative and positive. So, therefore, ang sagot is negative and then 2 times 3 is 6. So, ang sagot is negative 6. What if? Okay, so meron tayong given dito. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 2. Ano yung sagot natin? Magkapareho ang kanilang sign, negative. Ano yung sagot natin? Negative or positive? Kapag ang sagot nyo is positive, ang inyong sagot is mali. Okay. So, bakit mali? Bakit mali, ma'am? Na pareho naman yung sign nila, pareho lahat negative. So, sabi mo kanina na kapag pareho yung sign, ang sagot is always positive. Okay. So, take note na 3 ang given natin. Dahil 3 ang given natin, so kailangan natin siyang isolve. Okay, so para malaman natin kung ano ang kanyang sign, positive ba or negative. So, negative 2 times negative 2, of course, that is positive 4. And then positive 4 multiplied by, i-bring down natin si negative 2. So nakita nyo, hindi na magkapareho ang kanilang sign. So, naging positive si 4, negative si 2. So, of course, ang sagot natin is negative. And then, 4 times 2, ang sagot is 8. So, negative 8. Okay, so naintindihan nyo ang ating given. Take note ha, na 3 ang ating given. So, hindi ka pwedeng mag-jump into conclusion na, alam ko, positive ang sagot dito. Kasi, ang rule is kapag pareho yung sign is positive ang sagot. Pero kasi 3 sila, so kailangan mong isolve muna. Kasi negative times negative equals positive. Positive times negative equals negative. So, therefore, negative 8 ang ating sagot. Okay, punta naman tayo sa division of integers. So, same lang yung rule natin kapag positive, kapag pareho yung sign, parehong positive and parehong negative, ang sagot is always positive. Kapag naman hindi magkapareho yung sign, positive and negative or negative and positive, ang sagot is always negative. Okay, so example number 1, positive 10 divided by positive 5. Of course, ang sagot natin is positive 2 or 2. Kasi pareho yung sign positive. So, therefore, positive ang ating sagot. And the next example, negative 10 divided by negative 5. Magkapareho yung sign. So, positive ang sagot. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 or 2. Next example, positive 10 divided by negative 5. So, hindi magkapareho ang sign kasi positive and negative. So, negative ang sagot. And then, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, ang sagot is negative 2. And then next, negative 10 divided by positive 5. Of course, hindi magkapareho yung sign. So, negative ang sagot. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, ang sagot is negative 2. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa baba. What if naman? Negative 12 divided by negative 3 divided by negative 2. Ano yung sagot? Positive, negative? Of course, negative. Kasi alam na natin kanina. Kasi tatlo sila kahit na magkapareho pa yung sign. So, isolve muna natin para alam natin kung ano yung kanyang sign. Okay. So, negative 12 divided by negative 3, that is positive. Kasi magkapareho yung kanilang sign. So, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And then, i-bring down natin si negative 2. O, see? Hindi na magkapareho ang kanilang sign. So, positive and negative. So, therefore, ang sagot natin is negative. And then, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay? So, nakita nyo ha, na kahit na magkapareho pa yung sign, basta hindi dalawang integers, kailangan nyo siyang isolve. O, diba? So, gaya ng sabi ko kanina sa ating intro, na ang multiplication and division of integers is siya yung pinakamadali compare sa addition and subtraction. So, kita nyo naman, napakadali lang. Titingnan nyo lang ang sign and then i-multiply at i-divide lang yung number. So, alam nyo na agad kung ano yung sagot. That's all for today's video, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson for today. See you on our next lesson. Bye!